Welcome to Excelitte, where innovation meets security. Today, we're thrilled to unveil a groundbreaking update that transforms the way you collaborate. Introducing Excelitte Encrypted Cloud Drive File Share. Excelitte not only encrypts your files, but seamlessly connects with your preferred cloud storage services, Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. Let's take a closer look. Head over to the user settings page where you'll find 2 new settings to tailor your experience. The first setting lets you choose your cloud storage service for storing encrypted files. It's all about putting the power in your hands. Authenticate or revoke access to Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox with just a click. Plus, define specific storage locations on each cloud service for your encrypted files. It's not about limitations, it's about flexibility. Excelitte adapts to your workflow, giving you the freedom to decide where your encrypted files reside. Now, let's talk about our second setting, email sharing for files less than 20 megabytes. Keep it simple and secure by choosing whether to share smaller files directly via email. With Excelitte, your data stays where you want it. And there you have it! Excelitte's encrypted cloud drive file share is not just an update, it's a new way for you to enable secure collaboration. Excelitte is your 100% guarantee that your data can't be stolen, ransomwared, or successfully hacked. Sign up for a free trial today at excelitte.com and experience the future of data management.